Tonight might be your very first night using a CPAP machine, and if so, you're not alone. Many people feel a mix of curiosity, uncertainty, and even a little discomfort the first time they settle into bed with the mask on. What you're feeling is completely normal, and understanding what's happening in your body can help you relax into the experience. A CPAP machine works by sending a gentle, steady stream of air that keeps your airway open. This prevents those tiny pauses in breathing that can happen during sleep, the ones that make your body jolt awake or leave you feeling exhausted in the morning. But because CPAP changes the way air flows through your nose and mouth, your brain pays close attention at first. It notices the difference. There are a few reasons the first night can feel unusual. One is sensory novelty. Your brain monitors changes in your environment, especially at night, and the sensation of pressurized air is new. It isn't harmful, it's simply unfamiliar. Most people adapt within a few nights, and some feel comfortable even sooner. Another reason is the shift in oxygen levels. When the airway stays open more consistently, your oxygen becomes steadier. This is a sign of safety for your body, but the nervous system may take a little time to adjust. You might feel more aware at first, but this settles as your brain recognizes that the consistent airflow means protection, not danger. And the third reason is emotional conditioning. If your nights have carried stress, overthinking, or worry for a long time, the moment you put on the mask, your mind might jump into its usual nighttime alertness. This doesn't mean CPAP is causing anxiety. It simply means your mind is responding the way it has learned to. Over time, CPAP becomes a signal of rest, comfort, and deep sleep. Tonight, you're giving your body something helpful, something healing. And now that you understand why these early sensations feel the way they do, your mind can begin to soften. So now, we're going to gently shift away from thinking and move into sensing. You don't need to analyze anything anymore. You don't need to judge how the airflow feels or whether you're doing this right. Your CPAP is doing the work for you. Your job is only to rest. Let's help your system transition from understanding to comfort, from awareness to ease. Feel the mask where it rests on your face. Notice how the straps hold it gently, steady, and secure. Notice the airflow, smooth, consistent, quiet, moving in and out. You don't need to shape your breath around it. Just follow. Let the air do what it's meant to do. Let your shoulders settle a little heavier into the bed. Let your jaw loosen. Let your eyelids grow soft and warm. Let every exhale melt tension downward and away. Imagine now that the airflow from your CPAP isn't coming from a machine at all, but from a soft night breeze, moving through a peaceful place. Picture yourself in a quiet, wooden cabin, tucked beneath warm blankets. A lantern glows softly beside you, casting gentle golden light across the room. Beyond the window, tall trees reach up into a deep blue sky, and moonlight touches their branches. Each time you inhale, imagine that breeze drifting across your face and filling your lungs with fresh, calming air. Each time you exhale, feel your body sink a little deeper into the mattress beneath you. The cabin is warm, and the air is cool. The contrast wraps around you like comfort. You're safe here. You're unhurried. You're allowed to rest. Your breath becomes the rhythm of the forest outside. Slow, steady, soothing. The soft hum of the CPAP blends perfectly with the quiet of the night. Everything around you encourages your body to let go. Feel the weight of the blankets over your legs. Feel the warmth spreading across your chest and arms. Feel the pillow supporting your head, cradling you just the way you need. With every breath, your muscles release a little more. Your mind drifts a little farther from the day. Outside, the wind moves gently through the trees, and the world feels very still. Inside, you feel even more still. Any thoughts that rise fade easily. They float away, like leaves carried by a slow-moving stream. You are safe. You are supported. You are breathing steadily. Everything is okay. If you notice the feeling of the mask again, let that sensation become part of the scenery. Let it be background. Let it be the same as the sound of wind or the glow of lantern light. Something steady, something calming, something that holds you. Your breath is slow now. Your body is heavy. Your mind is quiet. Let yourself drift. If sleep comes now, let it come. If it arrives in a few moments, welcome it gently. There is no rush. There is no effort, only softness. You've done enough for today. You've given yourself what your body needed. And now it's time to rest. Time to drift. Time to release the weight of the day. Allow your breath to guide you downward into a deeper and softer place. Allow the quiet to surround you. Allow your whole body to let go. You are safe. You are supported. You are ready for sleep. Good night.